Hello everyone and welcome to a new sprint review from Eclipse JKube team. Regarding Eclipse JKube, this sprint Sun gave some talks about JKube at Devoxx France and DevNexus Atlanta. We also worked on a feature that I will be demoing next. Users can now use JKube with Helidon projects. JKube would now provide opinionated defaults by detecting project configuration. Apart from that, we worked on usual bug fixing and maintenance tasks on both projects. Okay, so I am at the Helidon starter and I'm going to generate a simple project. I'll go with the default settings and I'll generate a simple quick start application and I'll download the zip file. Let's go to my terminal and unzip this. Okay, let's go to the folder. We won't be needing these Docker files since JKube is going to generate the opinionated image for us. So I'll edit the POM XML and I'll add the JKube plugin here, and I'll add the version of the plugin. I'll set it to snapshot version since it's not released yet. Alright, let's quickly do a compilation. Okay, let's try to run the usual JKube goals and see if application is deployed to Kubernetes or not. Okay, let's check the bots. Okay, it seems to be running. So let's check the service. Okay, so application seems to be running. One more feature that Helidon provides is the ability to produce a native executable, very much like Quarkus. So let's try to generate a native image. It can be done with the native image profile. Alright, so looks like the native image build is complete. So we can see that in target folder Helidon generated this my project native executable. So if we run this, it would start up pretty quickly because it's a native executable. To deploy JKube with the native image, we need to specify the image so that JKube can detect that it's a native image build and it would change the assembly accordingly. Since I generated this image using my local machine instead of a Docker image, so I'll need to change the base image to Fedora. Alright. Okay, so it seems to have been deployed. Let's check the pods again. Okay, it's running now. So let's try to check the application. Alright, so application seems to be running in native mode as well. So this concludes the demo. Thanks a lot for watching.